Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about break and continue statement in Python. So when we use loops, for loop, while loop, we use break statements. So first we create a while loop I equal to 1 while I less than 6. So I have set condition I less than 6. So when the condition will be false, it comes out of the loop. So here I will print I and increment 1 in the I, so we can stop the loop. If we don't increment it, will become an infinite loop. So let's run this. So it's printing from 1 to 5. So when the value of I becomes 5 and 6 and 6 is less than 6, it's a false condition, it comes out of the loop. So in the end you can also check the value of I, it will become 6. So its value is 6. End of the loop. So let's run this. So you can see here the value of I is 6, but when the value of I becomes 6, it will not go in the block of while, because the condition becomes false. So it will check if 6 less than 6, so it becomes false condition and will not enter the in this code and will not print this I. So it comes out of the loop. So here the value of I becomes 6. So if I write 10, 11, so it will goes to the 10. So let's remove this for now. So here loops goes to the value of I 1 to 10. So it's printing number 1 to 10. So how we can stop this loop when we want? So here we set a condition. So I will write a condition if I less than 6, break. So break keyword is used to break the while loop, is used to break the while loop or any loop. So we use break keyword to break any loop. So whenever a compiler or interpreter sees this break keyword, it breaks the loop and comes out of the loop. So I am checking condition if I equal to 5, so it will break the loop and comes out of the loop. So let's run this. So when the value of I becomes 5 and so let's print here. So in the starting the value of I is 0 and it's check 0 is less than 11 and it enters the loop and it's 1 to the I variable. So and it will print I and it will print 1. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in every loop, every iteration, it will check the condition I equal to 5. So in the first iteration I is 1 and 1 is not equal to 5, so it becomes false and it will not the break. It will not break the loop. So whenever number I becomes 5, so 5 is equal to 5 and the condition becomes true and it comes in the loop. It's come in the code of if block. So here it will see a break statement, then it will end this while loop. So here we are using continue keyword. So continue keyword is used to skip some iteration. So skip a loop iteration. So when it sees a continue keyword, it will skip that iteration and will not run its below code. So first remove this and let's run this. So it's printing from 1 to 11, and if I use this, so it will check if I equal to 8. So when I becomes equal to 8, and it will see a continue keyword, and when it see a continue keyword, it will skip this iteration and will not print anything below this continue. So let's run this. So it's not printing 8 number, it's printing 7 and 9 and not printing 8. So because it's skipping that iteration, so whenever it gets a continue, its below code will not be executed. So that's all for today.